Morning drivers, Uncle Albert here at DIOMYX Cleaning Solutions in Ripley, Derbyshire. I've been asked to do a little short video just to explain exactly what's in our vehicle sanitising kits, because there's a little bit of confusion out there regarding what products should be used where, etc. So, here goes. So this kit is kit D, what we call executive kit. And it's got, I'll explain to you what it's got in it. Give it open up. The difference between kit D and all the rest is that you get all the DIOMYX sanitising products in it. So in the first bag, just take it all out. You get 3 triggers. And depending on which kit you bought, you get 3 different products. And also, there's the cloths, which I'll explain which is which. So, the first important part is what are the products and what do they do? This is cockpit sanitizer. This is the deep cleaner and what we call stage 1. We've actually relabeled this now, and any products going out this week in May will actually have a stage 1 sticker on them. That deep cleans and sanitizers. The World Health Organization say that 65% of isopropyl alcohol, pure alcohol, will kill COVID-19. This is in fact 70%. Now this is the expensive stuff that's gone up 8-fold. Now because I put my shirt on buying a lot before the problem, that's why we're able to do this at this price. That product alone was selling on eBay, not ours thankfully because we don't profiteer as you know, for 30 quid for that amount. That will kill all the germs and bacteria, but it also clears off any previous polishes, especially dirt, any grease and grime off any surfaces. Now the problem there is that it could, if you put that just on your skin, it'll dry your skin out. I'm going to come to Angel in a minute because it's the same product but with moisturizers. This hasn't got a moisturizer in it. So the plastics and the rubbers inside your cab or anywhere on the vehicle that you want to use it, it may dry out the surfaces just like it would your skin. So enter product number 2. Stage 2 of the cleaning process is one clean. As it says on the bottle there, I don't know if you can see that. It actually says a number 2 on it. One clean is a fantastic product that we've sold for a lot of years. Now one clean we sell in bulk in 25 litres to detailers and cleaners, but we introduce it into the valeting pack for the simple reason what this does, similar to Angel, it re-moisturizes the surface. Okay, so those 2 products together, and it's a fantastic cleaner. It smells absolutely beautiful. It doesn't smell fusty like some other products. Can I say that?
No, you can't.
No. Okay. It smells lovely anyway. It's a beautiful fragrance. And what you do with that product, after you've deep cleaned, you spray it all around, you just wipe it in with one of the microfiber cloths. And then that's it. Basically, your cab is sanitized and you maintained it now with the one clean. And one clean can be used just like any other cleaning product in the vehicle. The beauty about one clean is, and the reason it's called one clean, is it can be used outside for quick detailing as well. So it's got a very small amount, and it is a small amount as well, of carnauba wax. Okay, so we all know what carnauba wax is, or a lot of us do. Detailers use it for polishing vehicles. Well, it's got a small amount in. Now what that does is puts a very small amount onto the surface, but doesn't leave it shiny. Nothing worse than a shiny dash, is there, lads and lasses? So, we made it a matte finish. So, it's a beautiful finish, just like your vehicle came out of the factory. And that's what that's designed to do. So, you can use that forever and a day. Forever and a day. For never and a den. Shall I say that again? You can use that forever. Cut. Part 2. So you can use that for never and a day. I just can't say it, can I? Can I put my teeth back in? Anyway. Now to the next bit. Just to finish off on these 2 products, you also now get in every kit an explainer label. And this label explains exactly how you should use the sanitizer and the One Clean. So there's no confusion. So, 2 products there are Kit A. Kit A, along with every kit we have, comes with a yellow microfiber, good quality microfibers as well, not your cheap, a blue microfiber. And then you get this, what we call a non-woven towel. Now this one non-woven towel, some people have been using to spray the sanitizer spray. It's not actually for that. Shall I tell you what it's for? Really? When we pack the kits, and Auntie Soraya's going to kill me, but I'm going to tell you, it's very difficult to put the cloths in after. So she literally wraps it in the sanitising cloth to pop it in the bag. I know. The beauty about that product is it's actually an antibacterial cloth. And it costs a few pence to put in there. So what we thought, we'd treat the drivers. It's an antibacterial cloth they can use on a food area because that's a food-safe cloth. And what happens is, as soon as you wet it, it activates the antibacterial dry chemical that's on there. It's a reusable cloth and it won't attract germs. So it's good for general sort of food areas more than anything. So a little bit of confusion there. You don't really use that with these products. You use the microfibers. And what I tend to do is use one microfiber for deep cleaning and another microfiber for buffing. So you've got a dirty cloth and you've got a relatively clean cloth, and they're both washable. But don't put fabric softener in because it'll ruin them. Okay, moving along. We were asked fairly early on, because drivers weren't able to stop at restaurants, services or anything. They closed them all, the food areas. So a lot of the long haulage lads had to cook in their own cab. We knew that that product is quite safe to use in food areas, but it might leave a little, it's a very strong smelling solvent, and it's also what's called a tainting chemical. So it'll leave an aftertaste on the surface. That's why we introduced Food Safe Sanitizer. Food Safe Sanitizer is to be used purely in your microwave, on your cleaning top where you're preparing your food, on your little table, or anything like that. Again, some drivers have bought the whole kit, because this is Kit B now, Kit B, and just took that home and put it in the kitchen at home. It's a great sanitizer. It's got an EN number on it, which means it's up to a certain standard. Not to be confused with cockpit sanitizer. This won't kill COVID-19. It really won't. But it will sanitise the surface for food preparation and food surfing. So, surfing. I said surfing. When you're in Cornwall and you go surfing, no. Right, so, food preparation surfaces, that's Kit B. Again, you get the 1, 2 microfibers and the food safe cloth, Clue play fla, shoot for. Take 2, and you get the food safe cloth. Right. Kit B. Then we got asked for hand gel. Now, if I were 100% honest with you, I'd tell you that we didn't used to produce hand gel. It's the same sanitising product that goes into this alcohol that goes into gel. But you need special tanks to do that. And we don't actually have one of those tanks. They're about 5,000 quid. And I thought, do we buy one? Do we buy one? But we still need hand gel. So take food safe away. Now, a lot of people in like the plant and machinery game like this kit because you've got the deep clean sanitizer. You've got the One Clean to clean the cab inside. But now you've also got some personal hand gel. Let me tell you the difference. That product is that product, but it's got moisturisers. Moisturisers won't dry out the skin. It's a really good product. It's actually 70% alcohol, just like that is. So that makes Kit C. And we call that Cabby Kit. We call it Cabby Kit because we thought, well, it goes in the cab anyway, which is everybody's cab, but we thought taxi drivers. Okay, that's another cut. Anyway, so that's Kit C, and we called it Cabby Kit. Kit C, sanitizer, One Clean, hand gel, 2 microfibers, 1 food safe. And then we created, for the people that wanted all the products, what we call Executive Kit D. Kit D has got all the products in it, all the cloths, and obviously everything now comes with this label. So you can stick that in your vehicle if you like, to remind you. Or even better still, there's an explainer in there if you swap your vehicle over between shifts. So, I hope that explains it all
To you. Sorry if I talk a bit fast. That's just the way it is.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Any questions, you can always contact me either on Twitter or info@diomyx.com. We're on @DIOMYX1 on Twitter, and we've also now got an Instagram. And we do a weekly prize draw where we like to promote the products, and we give £100 cash away, and also a kit, which we're getting quite well known for now on Twitter. So follow us at DIOMYX1. So, just to recap, so you know what you get in the kits. Kit A, deep clean sanitizer, 1 clean. 2-stage cleaner, deep clean, 1-stage sanitizer. 2nd stage, redress the surface and protect. 2 microfibers, 1 food safe cloth. Kit B, exactly the same as Kit A, but it's also got food safe sanitizer and another trigger, so that's for cleaning food areas. Then you've got Kit C, what we call cabbie kit. It's got no food safe sanitizer in it, but it has got the ones food safe sanitizer, but it's got the sanitizer. It's also got 1 clean and hand gel, moisturising hand gel, sanitising instant hand gel. Then there's Kit D. So there's Kit D. So it's got all the 3 products that Kit B has, plus hand gel. That's what we call the executive kit. All the kits now come with the explainer label as well. So any kit that you buy, you know exactly what to do with it now. One small but very important point, especially when using the cockpit sanitising spray. Please open your windows and doors if you can. Not only does it smell a bit strong, it's an highly flammable product. So you don't want to be spraying it around with a number 6 hanging outside of your mouth. Yeah, no naked flames, no nothing. It's got to be that percentage alcohol to do the job. But just use a little bit of common sense and keep the windows open. It soon disappears. It's made to disappear. So just be safe. That's it from me, Uncle Albert. I hope that helps. Contact us on Twitter if you like at DIOMYX1, number 1. Visit us at our website, www.diomyx.com. You can always drop me an email there. And yeah, there we have it. DIOMYX cockpit sanitising kits. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.